Alright guys, if you want to make a quick and easy Kirby, this is the way that I do it. So first take some clay and start rolling it into a ball. Make sure you're not pushing down too hard or you're going to get that weird UFO shape. Roll it nicely in your hand until you're happy with it. Remember, it's not going to be perfect. You will have some wrinkles and it's okay. It's going to be fine. Next, you're going to take a smaller piece and we're going to make Kirby feet. So we're going to roll it into a worm. Remember, you can pause the video if I'm going too fast. Roll it into a nice worm. Try to have it even on both sides as best as you can. I'm going really fast here, so it's not quite even. I'm going to shape those with my fingers, just pinching it into those little Kirby shaped shoes. There we go. Now it's time to attach them. We must scratch and slip. So we're going to scratch where the feet are going to go, right? Feet are going to go right there. So I'm just scratching with my scratching tool. We're going to scratch where the feet attach, right? Form that bond. Then we're going to add the slip. The slip is like the glue. We must scratch and slip or those feet are just going to pop off when it dries. So now we have this cute little Kirby. I pushed the feet down pretty hard, and you can even take your finger and kind of spread out the feet, the back part of the feet there. And isn't it cute? All right, now time for hands. We do the hands almost the exact same way. We take a smaller piece of clay, and we're going to roll it in our hands. We're going to roll it into a worm. And that it was still a little bit too much. I'm going to roll it again and cut. And I can tell that that is way too big, right? It's a big arm. Kirby has these cute little nubs. So we're going to make them even and smaller. That is much better. We're going to scratch and slip those. Scratch where it goes. To form the bond, add the glue, add the slip. And then you can push it with your fingers and just kind of spread that clay out. There's a cute little hand. Now for the other hand's going to be holding a marshmallow. So for right now, I'm going to scratch it and then just place it a little bit differently. So you can see I'm going to place it right here, facing forward instead of down. So that's going to be holding some more over the fire. Isn't it cute?